In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make perfectly crispy and delicious cauliflower in the air fryer. It's quick, healthy, and incredibly tasty. Here's what you'll need: fresh cauliflower, olive oil, your favorite seasonings. I like to use garlic powder, chicken stock, salt in this recipe, and of course an air fryer. The chicken stock adds a rich savory flavor that pairs perfectly with the natural nuttiness of the cauliflower. You'll also need a mixing bowl, knife, chopping board, paper towel, alfoil, gloves, and a pair of tongs to toss and handle the cauliflower. Alright, start by rinsing your cauliflower under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then shake off the excess water or pat the cauliflower dry with a clean towel to prepare them for cutting, then seasoning. Using a sharp knife, cut your cauliflower into even sized florets. Keeping the pieces uniform ensures they cook evenly and get that perfect crispy texture in the air fryer. Place the florets into a mixing bowl, drizzle with olive oil and add your seasoning. Toss everything together until the florets are evenly coated. Then you want to arrange the cauliflower florets in a single layer in the air fryer basket, ensuring they're not overcrowded for even cooking and crispiness. I've lined the tray with aluminium foil to make cleanup a breeze. Carefully place the tray with the seasoned cauliflower into the air fryer. Make sure it's securely in place before starting the cooking process. Set your air fryer to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and adjust the timer to 12 to 15 minutes. Press start and let the air fryer work its magic. At the halfway mark, pause the air fryer and give the cauliflower a good shake or flip them with tongs. This ensures they cook evenly on both sides. As the timer near the ends, keep an eye on them to achieve your perfect level of crispiness. And here it is, perfectly roasted cauliflower with a golden crispy finish. Serve it as a side dish, snack, or even as a topping for your salads and bowls.